Hey crypto fam! Welcome back to another exciting guide on managing your crypto assets. Today we're going to show you how to move your USDT from OKX to Binance. It's super easy and straightforward, so don't worry if you're new to this. First things first, make sure you're all set up on both platforms. This means you need to have active accounts on both OKX and Binance. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and create your accounts. It's a simple process, just follow the on-screen instructions. Got those ready? Awesome, let's do this. Remember guys, security is key in the crypto world. Always enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Also, always double-check that you're on the official websites before entering any login information. This helps prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. Don't fall for those phishing scams. If you receive any suspicious emails or messages, always verify their authenticity before clicking on any links. Stay safe out there. Now, let's get into the actual transfer process. Start by logging into your OKX account and navigating to your wallet. Select USDT from your list of assets. Click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to fill out a withdrawal form. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any issues. Next, log into your Binance account and copy your USDT deposit address. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on OKX. Review all the transaction details carefully. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. The transfer might take a few minutes to process. You can check the status on OKX and you'll receive a notification on Binance once the USDT has been credited to your account. And that's it. You've successfully moved your USDT from OKX to Binance. Great job, crypto fam. Stay tuned for more tips and guides. Before we move that USDT, let's talk security. It's crucial to understand the importance of safeguarding your digital assets. Your seed phrase is like your crypto lifeline. This phrase is a series of random words generated by your wallet. It's a bunch of words that give you access to your funds. Think of it as the master key to your digital vault. Keep it super safe, offline and hidden. Store it in a place where only you can find it, like a safe or a secure drawer. Never share it with anyone. If someone gets hold of your seed phrase, they can access your funds and steal your assets. Next up, two-factor authentication or 2FA. This is an additional security measure to protect your account. It adds an extra layer of security to your account. Even if someone knows your password, they can't log in without the 2FA code. Binance will ask you for a code from your phone whenever you log in. This code is generated by an app like Google Authenticator or sent via SMS. This helps keep the bad guys out. By using 2FA, you add an extra barrier that makes it much harder for hackers to access your account. Remember, security is a continuous process. Always stay vigilant and keep your seed phrase and 2FA details secure. Alright, time to find your Binance USDT address. This is where your USDT will land after the transfer. Log into your Binance account and head to your wallet. Look for USDT and click on Deposit. Binance will give you a unique address, kinda like your crypto account number. It might look like a jumble of letters and numbers, but don't worry, just copy it carefully. Section 4. Initiating the transfer on OKX. Now let's head over to OKX. Log in and go to your wallet. Find USDT and click on Withdraw. This is where you tell OKX to send your USDT. Paste the Binance USDT address you copied earlier into the address field. Double check you've pasted it correctly. One wrong character and your USDT could be lost. Section 5. Confirmation and waiting time. Before you hit that confirm button, make sure you've chosen the right network. This is crucial because selecting the wrong network can lead to failed transactions or even loss of funds. Double-check the network options available on OKX and ensure they match with the network supported by Binance. USDT usually uses TRC20 or ERC20. These are the most common networks for transferring USDT, and each has its own advantages and disadvantages. TRC20 is known for its lower fees and faster transaction times, while ERC20 is widely supported and offers robust security features. Pick the one that Binance uses, otherwise your transfer won't go through. It's important to note that Binance supports multiple networks, so make sure to select the correct one to avoid any issues. If you're unsure, you can always refer to Binance's support documentation or contact their customer service for assistance. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. This step is irreversible, so take a moment to review all the details one last time. Ensure that the amount, address, and network are all correct before proceeding. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed by OKX. OKX will send you a confirmation email or SMS. Now we wait. This confirmation message will include details of your transaction and a tracking link. Keep an eye on your inbox or SMS notifications for this message, as it will provide you with updates on the status of your transfer. TRC20 transfers are usually faster than ERC20, but it can take a few minutes to a few hours. The waiting time can vary depending on network congestion and other factors. While TRC20 is generally quicker, ERC20 might take longer but offers a higher level of security. Be patient and monitor the progress through the tracking link provided in your confirmation message. Section 6. Verifying your transfer and next steps. Once the transfer is done, check your Binance wallet. Your USDT should be there, and that's it. You've successfully moved your USDT from OKX to Binance. Want more awesome crypto tips and tricks? Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more. See you in the next video. Peace out.